Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny skies out there this morning. Very nice conditions overall. We do have a little bit of a breezy onshore flow this morning. Going to see that throughout the afternoon hours. A wind gust possibly up into the upper teens to lower 20s, so slightly breezy out there, but overall a very nice day to end the work week. Looking at our sounding from this morning, our freezing level is at 16,100 feet. In the low levels, we have a northeasterly to north-northeasterly wind, anywhere from about 10 to 15 knots, up to 3,000 feet. Then our winds turn southwesterly to westerly in direction, seeing a west-northwesterly wind at 6,000 feet, around 21 knots. Then seeing a 36-knot wind at 9,000 feet at the west-southwest, and then seeing more of a southwesterly wind at 12,000 feet. So anywhere in that westerly direction up above 3,000 feet, and seeing that wind increase up to 36 knots at 9,000 feet, and then increasing once again up to 32 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. Looking at our current surface analysis, we have an area high pressure over the northeastern United States that's ridging down into our area. That's giving us the onshore flow today. We'll see that area high pressure slide off the coast, and then this cold front will become a stationary boundary and then lift back as a warm front tonight, possibly giving us some showers and thunderstorms. Looking at our satellite imagery this morning, we can see we have mostly sunny skies out there, a little bit of mid and upper level cloudiness across central Virginia that's worked its way in for the afternoon hours, but overall we'll average out anywhere from mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Looking at our 3 kilometer NAM for today and the derived radar reflectivity, you can see throughout the daytime hours we'll see no chances of precipitation. Then tonight we'll see that boundary start to lift northward, as well as a weak upper level disturbance along that boundary, providing us with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Most likely, if we do see anything, it'll be after 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Looking like could start as early as 4 a.m. Saturday, Friday night into Saturday, but most likely will be after 8 a.m. on Saturday morning. And then Saturday afternoon we'll have partly cloudy conditions with another weak boundary starting to approach from the north, and that's going to provide us with a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm. 3 kilometer dies out or dissipates any of those showers, thunderstorms moving over the Appalachian Mountains into our region for Saturday. Looking at the GFS model, just giving you a different idea of what some of the models are showing. It doesn't really show anything for tonight, but do still have that chance in here. Then for Saturday night, the GFS is showing a good amount of showers and thunderstorms in the region. I'm expecting this model is overdoing that this time, only seeing a slight chance of that occurring, as most of the energy will move north of the region, as well as the showers and thunderstorms most likely will weaken as they move off the Appalachian Mountains into the coastal plain Saturday evening into Saturday night. And then for Sunday, we'll have a weak boundary over the region in the morning hours as the cold front slides through the peninsula. That'll provide us with a slight chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm in the late morning and early afternoon hours on Sunday. And then Sunday afternoon evening, we'll have a slightly breezy onshore flow once again out of the northeast, and that should provide us with more stable conditions, as well as winds possibly gusting up to about 23 or 24 knots for Sunday afternoon. And moving into our Monday, we'll have very nice conditions to start the work week, high pressure in control, as well as Tuesday with high pressure once again in control of the region, and we'll have warmer conditions starting for Wednesday with that high pressure sliding off the coast, more of a southwesterly return flow, and could be even seeing some record highs across the Mid-Atlantic region for Wednesday and Thursday, as we'll have a very warm air mass in place for this time of year, as well as the southwesterly winds. So could be seeing temperatures near records in the upper 80s to lower 90s across the peninsula, and even could see some mid 90s in central Virginia mid to late portion of next week. Thursday night we'll have a cold front moving through, and that will stop the late season heat across the Mid-Atlantic region and providing us with a chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a high around 78 degrees, east-northeasterly to easterly winds, and decreasing this afternoon to 8 to 13 knots, gusts to 17 knots. Winds tonight southeasterly and calming to 5 to 10 knots by tomorrow morning. We'll have a yellow for our showers and as well as our thunderstorms. Looking at about a 25% chance of thunderstorms until 8 a.m. and about a 30 to 35% chance of those showers in the region. Our temperatures tonight will be in the upper 60s to lower 70s with a low expected at 69 degrees. Our 24-hour terminal forecast will have VFR conditions today. Chance that we do have ceilings down to 1,000 feet tonight after 4 local with a 25% chance of thunderstorms. And then tomorrow morning expecting some low-level cloudiness in here with that warm front in the region, a broken deck at 1,000 feet, and a 35% chance of some showers and thunderstorms after 8 local tomorrow morning. Our tides are slightly above normal. And looking at Saturday into Sunday, Saturday will be mostly cloudy to overcast, with a chance of a shower or thunderstorm during the morning, then partly cloudy in the afternoon, a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm during the evening, a high of 83 degrees, and a yellow for the precipitation and the lightning during the morning. Saturday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm early, slight chance of patchy fog as well. We'll have a low of 72. And Sunday, partly cloudy skies, a slight chance of pop-up shower or thunderstorm during the late morning and early afternoon, slightly breezy onshore flow by the afternoon hours. We'll have a high of 81 and a yellow for our winds near 25 knots for Sunday. And look at the next 7 days, we'll have that 35% chance of showers and a 25% chance of thunderstorms tomorrow morning. High of 83 on Saturday, 81 on Sunday, a 15% chance of that pop-up shower or thunderstorm with those northeasterly winds. Most likely that'll be on the west side of the peninsula if it does occur. So just a slight chance of that occurring here at Wallops. And Monday and Tuesday we'll have that high pressure over New England that should provide us with more onshore flow. Temperatures a little bit cooler on Monday, a high of 75 degrees as we'll have mostly cloudy conditions. Tuesday, slightly warmer, high of 78 with mostly sunny conditions. Now that warm-up occurs middle portion to end of portion of next week. 86 on Wednesday, 87 on Thursday. And some of the miles are showing temperatures even warmer than this, as I mentioned, in the central portion of the Delmarva Peninsula on both of those days. So quite warm weather expected for middle and a portion of next week. And we'll have additional chances of showers and thunderstorms Thursday evening, a 40% chance right now. If the models do start to align on the timing of that front coming down, we'll increase those chances. It does look like we'll have some rain either Thursday or Friday of next week with that front coming through, and that is the best chance of rain that we've had in the last several weeks, as that front will be quite strong and the air mass behind it will be much cooler, so a fairly good contrast, and that will provide us with those chances of showers and thunderstorms. So that'll complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great weekend. We're back at 8:15 at 10 a.m.